don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans at the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 3, Golden Arrows 0. I'm joined by Uzweli, Brian, Dlamini.
Hola Steve. Wangibiza kamnandi. Yeah, hayi uyabona namhlanje mesovalelisa ucoach wethu. Simvalelise in a very nice way. Especially behind the pole. Senze ngendlela yethu because mesihlala senza njalo every time maqeda whether we lose or win mageza kithi mesimjabulela.
Yeah.
And even now we are saying la uyakhona good luck la uyakhona but uyazi ukuthi la uyakhona abezwane ne lose yeah la yakhona to lose bakubheka kabi angeke kube mnandi njengala kodwa ke we wish him luck. Yeah, into ebhlungu ukuthi siluze izinto eziningi after ukuthi asho ukuthi uyahamba. Yabona that one it hurts but we can talk izinto eziningi lana as fans. Umuntu nomuntu une opinion yakhe but asimusheleni ilaki la yakhona. That's the most important thing because ufike lana singena nix ufike lana wasenza abantu wasenza ukuthi sikwazi ukuchoma sikwazi ukukhuluma khona manje kuthiwa kunabantu abathi bazonda iPirates ngenxa yami. Yes, no, akusengenxa yami singenxa ka Rivero because ubengijabulisa ngikwazi ukukhipha into engaphakathi kimi uyangithola. Yeah, mengikhipha into engaphakathi kimi because of happiness eyenziwe uRivero. So Rivero, wherever you are going, remember that we love you. We will always love you and but Kef siyeza sizohlangana nawe whether in a whichever stage sizokhombisa ukuthi who are we are Orlando Pirates. Remember one thing, Orlando Pirates is us. Orlando Pirates hit. Coaches they come they go. Players they come and go. But Pirates remains. We are Orlando Pirates and we will remain. That's why we are here today. Ngiyazi ukuthi stadium asigcwalanga the way we wanted to because some people basase ahead but I want them ngifuna ukuthi laba abangakwazanga ukuza today bangakhohlwa ukuthi uRivero asi Pirates. We are Pirates. We are Pirates. Yes. Uzoza no coach omusha uzoshiyala. We are Pirates. We've got future generation esazoba iPirates. Ukhombisa ukuthi Pirates will never die. No matter who comes, no matter ubaba basigxeke basinyathele kabi okusala uthina, we are
Pirates.
Orlando Pirates.
So the man of the match.
Man of the match is supporters, especially behind the pole. Behind the pole, he ends into a more than what the coach expected. Behind the pole.
Oh, I joke, oh, behind the pole,
It will always remain kanjalo. Behind the pole, ngifuna ukuthi Spirit singasiyeki sisiphushe, even Centerline Spirit singasiphushi, all ama supporters we Orlando Pirates around the world sipush Spirit. We are Orlando Pirates.
Thank you.